Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Google Calendar from GoTo Meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Google Calendar from GoTo Meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you accidentally connect the wrong Google Calendar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoTo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove your Google Calendar, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Settings. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to make sure you've clicked on Calendar. Once you've done that, you will see your Google Calendar connection right here. And off to the right, you're going to see this green button, Disconnect. Go ahead and click there. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my Google Calendar is no longer connected to my GoTo app. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Google Calendar from GoTo Meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.